Hello everyone, wishing you a happy Diwali and prosperous Diwali to you and your family. How coder can wish happy Diwali. So I will run first this code, then after I will explain how you can make this type of code. So this is the wish you all happy and cheerful prosperous Diwali. Happy Diwali from Yogin Savani and family. So now we can see how to make this type of code. So first you have to make, this is the text file. In this text file you have to make this type of design or any design you can make, and you will wish you all a happy, cheerful and prosperous Diwali. So this is the artist greeting, happy Diwali from Yogin Savani and family to you and your family. So next we will move to the code. So in the code, first I have make one delay function and another delay function. So this is the color change system color 9, so it will change my terminal color and it will change my output color. And delay 1, here I have used some delay one color to another color change. Inside, in between I have given one delay. Then after, inside my main function I have taken one character pointer, then this is my file pointer. So file pointer is useful for the opening the file, and I have opened the file in the read mode. Then after, this is my unsigned short integer, and this is my system color E. So color E, that is the light yellow color. What is the color? So you can go to the Google and search on system color, you will get all the colors. Here I am reading my file word by word and I am displaying word by word, and after that I am closing my file. Then after, this is the while one loop, this is for color change. So here it will change my terminal color, so this color will continuously change. So let's run this code. So first compile and run. So here you will see, first it make the light yellow color and now it is changing continuously. So wish you a happy Diwali to you and your family from Yogin Savani and family. Enjoy the festival of lights.